Let's start with step 1, cleaning, because every part has to be cleaned. This is why we developed the DyeMansion Powershot C system and the corresponding and proprietary process Polyshot cleaning. The Powershot C is the industry standard for easy and efficient part cleaning. By efficient, I mean an automated process which reduces your required manpower, costs and lead time. The system gently cleans your parts without damaging them. After closing the door, you can start the process on the touchscreen. The process time typically is around 10 minutes. You can either select pre-installed programs or create, save and start your own programs to quickly adapt to your individual application. Thanks to the combination of the rotary basket together with a stainless steel cabinet, different blasting nozzles and a powerful ionization unit, we can guarantee a reproducible process. With an air curtain above the Powershot C's basket, the system provides continuous cleaning of the process chamber to ensure residual-free parts. Our proprietary process, Polyshot Cleaning, uses plastic blasting media to gently and efficiently remove powder. It is compatible with all common powder bed technologies and improves depowdering of process-challenging materials such as TPU. And of course, this process is developed for the complete DyeMansion print-to-product workflow and creates a basis for end-use parts with the most sophisticated surfaces and brilliant colors. To sum it all up, why is the Powershot C with the Polyshot cleaning process the industry standard for easy and efficient part cleaning? First, the system allows for automated processes to boost your production capacity. Second, your parts are treated gently thanks to smart hardware features and process-specific parameters. And third, the system allows for advanced operator convenience with enhanced ergonomics and process control.